Hi guys, welcome again to my video. This is Rose Wekulo. Okay, now like when you look at my commissions, I want to talk about this amazing CPA offer that I'm promoting, and I thank God that it's so free for anyone to join, and you'll be able to only make an advert and go to bed, and actually when you wake up in the morning you see commissions just rolling down. Like today I've already made $68, and today I just wanted to shortly go through how I do my marketing, or how I post my ads on some of the social media platforms that I use to market. And the first one, the best and the biggest platform anyone can use is Facebook. So let me quickly go to my Facebook page. This is Roslyn Wekulo. So this is a legit account. So you can come here. The first thing you need to do if you're a new marketer, you'll have to join so many groups, depending on what you're promoting. Like for this offer, it's a make money online offer, so it's so easy to promote it. What you need to do is you come on the search bar and you say make money groups, or just make money, and it will bring you a variety. Like these are groups, and you have to join as many as you can, but be very careful for Facebook not to block you. I normally do like around 20 groups a day. Once you join these groups, this my biggest secret, which I do, which I'm going to share today with a few people who want to join this, that will enable you to make money online, is my internet is a bit slow today. So how you can make or create adverts for you to be able to promote with your link for the offer that you're promoting. You come on the home page. You go to your home page. Oh, my internet is a bit slow today. Sorry, just a second. It's gonna come back. Just a second. Like here now, you can scroll through. Like I'm a member of different groups. All these you're seeing are adverts which the affiliates have made promoting different offers around. So I'll take an example of a group which I belong to, so that I'll show you how you can create an ad. Sorry about that. My internet's a bit slow today. It's a bit slow today. Sorry about that. I'm just scrolling through to check one of the groups which I'm a member to, so that you can check out how I do my posts, or how I create my adverts, and I'm good to go. Okay, just a little bit, one more time. Let's do this. So take an example. Let me just check here. Like take an example. I'm on these groups called Moms and Dads Business Ideas. Today my internet is a bit slow. Okay, so you can also check around the groups you are a member to here. Like this one, make money online. Like when you go to this group, you'll find like there's so many affiliates who are promoting the products. Now what I normally do, I scroll through the products and I look for those adverts which have so many comments, likes, shares, and actually draft my ad according to what they have posted before. Because on online marketing, reinventing the wheel, it won't work. You'd rather use what has worked before to be able to make that work for you. Since many of us are just almost waking up now, you're almost just waking up now, there are no much comments. Anyways, the best times for you to market is early mornings and around between 1 o'clock to 2 2, and then after 4 o'clock when people have left work, people are mostly on traffic, they're always on their phones checking for emails, new things, adverts and stuff like that. That's the most important time for you to be able to market, because your ad will get more eyeballs. So around 5 o'clock in the morning, I'll try do my posts and see how the post will be able to do. Anyways, my idea is you go through all the adverts which people have put, and then you'll find some of the adverts which have so many comments in them, so many likes. And let's take an example like this. If say Jessie Aldora, I'm sorry to use your ad, your ad, yes, like if she had like say over 20 comments or 100 comments on this advert, what you do, you just copy the same ad, and you can add your you'll definitely add your affiliate link, and then you post the same advert. It will see more people will see your advert, and they'll be able to click your link to join in your affiliate. And for my CPA network that I'm promoting, when someone clicks on your link and they put their email address and their name, you earn $4 or $2 depending on the country. English speaking countries will make $4, and for the other countries will make $2, and it's a worldwide opportunity. So as easy as that, as someone clicking on your link and putting their email addresses, it immediately you get that money in your account. And also another thing which I use, so that's one that I use. You can also update it if you have so many friends. You can also update it on your profile as your profile update, and that one people are easily, like all your friends will be able to see your advert and click on it, and when they put their email addresses, you'll be able to make money. Another thing I use is LinkedIn. Here is my name, Roslyn Wekolo. I have over 1,000 connection at the moment because I grew my connection. I have 1,251 people whom I'm connected to, and this one is easier that you just click on connection for someone. When they like you, they'll be able to connect with you. If they see you're offering value, they'll be able to connect with you. Now here I also come to do the same advert which I've done on Facebook. I come here and put the same advert and attach my link, so that and then my advert will go to all the feeds, so people will be able to see my adverts and click. This one you can easily make like $100 and above per day. It's the easiest CPA network anyone can market. It's the easiest ever, because when someone just puts their name and email, you earn $4. You really do not need to make a sale for you to be able to make money. And then for my video, because I also I have a passion of showing people on what to do and also to make money online, I use the Camtasia. It's free. You just type in the Camtasia software, and you come here to Windows download, or if you're using a Mac, you do Mac download, and it's free. You'll be able to record all your videos and edit them and post them on YouTube. And actually use ping.com to ping your video so that they have more views. I hope I've helped you guys, and we're going to make money. So if you like my video and you want to join my my CPA network, which is so easy, like someone putting their name and email anywhere in the world, you earn from $2 to $4. I have connected my link there. Please join it, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Thank you so much. I'm hoping to see you in my next video. You see, I've made over $2,800 already with the program, so it's legit and it's free to join. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.